You guys remember before the zombie ammo box where we've got all the IC-705 accessories in it, but we are going to upgrade this box. This is a fantastic box. I love it, but it is hard-sided and it's not as easy to carry. There's no shoulder straps or nothing. We're gonna fix that right away. First, let's get everything out of here. Car, but we're done with this. All right, now we have the new bag. This is the Shangri-La Victory Gear bag, and my hope is that I will be able to operate directly out of the bag without having to remove the radio. So let's figure that out. All right, plenty of pockets. I love pockets. That's actually my favorite thing about bags is all the pockets that are inside. Shoulder strap for your shoulder carrying needs. And we will take the radio and we will put it inside in its operating position. There's actually room underneath the radio still. We might take advantage of that in a bit. And let's take the microphone and put the microphone in this pocket up front here. And so that tucks out of the way nicely. I can open the bag, I can connect my antenna, I can get my microphone out, and I can PTT. Good to go. All right, next up is lots of pockets, lots of options. I don't know, man, I don't know. All right, so let's take the battery and put the battery in this side pouch. This is a big pouch over here, so I will be able to get, this is a 3 amp hour bio, and I'll be able to take some measurements and find a bigger battery. And then I can very carefully cut a hole between the inside of this pocket and the inside of this pocket and power the radio without having to take the battery out. And there's still room for the Bio-NO charger. That charger is currently busy charging a battery, so it is not currently part of this setup. Well, we will call that the battery pouch only. That takes care of battery needs. Next up, we have coax is inside of this bag here. Where do I want to put coax? I think I'll leave it in the little ditty bag, but we will stick it in this front pouch up here for now. And that way it doesn't get lost or contaminated with other stuff. Fantastic. This is the tuner itself. Since we're going to be in operating mode and we're going to be inside of this bigger bag, I'm actually going to put it directly underneath, and there will be a way to power this coming from the side. So we've got coax on that side and we've got power cable on that side. Power cables are more flexible, so we will put the power cables down below, pull the radio out. Let's put the tuner in. Oh, this tuner's too big. It will fit in the bag just fine, but doesn't fit my style that I want for this bag. So we will make room for a different tuner. Let's go get a different tuner. Different tuner at the ready, the Elecraft T1. This one needs some interaction. So what I will do is I will put it in this front pouch here, maybe? Oh no, look at this. There is a spot up here. Nope, not wide enough. There is room in that pouch. Perfect. So we'll put it in the pouch, and if we put it in the pouch, I need to unzip it a bit in order to use it. I don't know. So we'll just leave it right there for now, where we can see it and use it. This tuner can now be repurposed for another radio. Love it. Okay. I will need a right angle adapter to get this working, and then I can leave that connected and down. Let's find a right angle adapter. Right angle adapter achieved. Don't poke your eyes out, folks. Okay, radio is in the bag, and I can use the antenna. Okay, that will close up with the antenna out of the way, or we can leave the antenna up and we can use the other zipper. And we can leave the antenna up in the air if we wanted to. Perfect. All right, now we have all of these accessories in this bag. Okay, so this has the SO239 to BNC adapter in case I need that. I will need it for the tuner. This has a couple of Allen wrenches in case I want to take the IC-705 cage off, a set of headphones, the power cable. We're actually going to use this power cable with this bag. Well, we're going to make a special power cable for this. That'll be even easier. But we can use this power cable for what I had in mind. This is the Xiegu XPA 125B amplifier cable. We won't need this on the go, but we do need to keep it with us for when we potentially do need it. Let's put this stuff in this front pouch because there are little pockets in there. Okay, so we wrap that up. and put it into that pouch there. Good. These are the LDG tuner cables, which we're not using anymore. This is my gas station USB cable that solves the USB noise wrapped around a 240-43 toroid. There is a video right up there about solving the noise problem. We can put that in that pouch there. Put these little guys in that pouch there. Put this over here. This is working out great. Okay. So now all we need to do is power it up, and I need another cable for the tuner. Hang on one second. Tuner cable has been acquired, and I have another adapter. So the radio will need the previous adapter I showed you to go from SO239 to BNC, and then from BNC back to, no, hang on, this is the wrong adapter. From the radio to the tuner, right there. And then from the tuner to either a BNC antenna, which is highly likely, or an SO239 PL259 antenna, which is also highly likely. So we'll shove that in there, we'll shove that in there. We are good to go. And we have extra space over here. Now, the thing I haven't shown you yet, we got to change camera angles for this because this is epic. Let's get that down. Let's get that down. All right, let's change. IC-705 comms bag 2.0, ready to go. Nice carry handle on top, room for some morale patches, attaching any extra MOLLE kits you want. This is 2 meters, 70 centimeter, and all of HF. This is fantastic. But wait, there's more. Hands down, one of the best parts about bags is all of the options. So this is a shoulder strap, and even the shoulder strap gives you options. You can take this pad on or off, or you can insert things into the pad, or you can expand it, or you can toss it and not use it at all. There is a carry handle on the top. I love carry handles because that makes it easy to, carry things by their handle. Open that up, get it out of the way. Before we get on the inside, there is all this webbing all over the place that you can attach stuff to. No problem there. It does have those fanny pack straps, and they have webbing on them as well. And then on the side, there is even more webbing. Let's just put webbing all over the entire outer surface of the whole thing. Inside the side pockets, there's an additional smaller mesh pocket, and that's on both sides. Side pocket, smaller mesh pocket. On the top, there is a pass through here, so you can put a antenna mast through here, the Carbon 6 or the DX Commander 10 meter mast. That is expandable, so you can put really big stuff in, or compressible so that you can put smaller stuff in. The top pouch has got not only plenty of room inside, but it also has more bags. There is a pouch up top here. There is some more elastic strapping here, and then there is another pouch underneath. I mean, they looked at this bag when they made it and they said, where can I put more pouches? So let's look at the front pouch. So we've got room to hang your keys. There's a pouch there. There's 2 mesh pockets there. And then I really would have expected them to put more webbing on the front, but they did not do that. I don't know why. They had room. What were they thinking? And then the radio pouch on the inside, there is front and back with elastic strap there. And then a nice deep pouch to put whatever you want in there. This would actually make a fantastic range bag. In the lid, there is another pouch and more straps to hold more stuff. Hands down. Lots of options. Love it. Never trust a ham with a fanny pack. Howdy folks, Steve here, KM9G. This is awesome. I can open this up, I can grab my microphone, and I can get on the air with my 2 meter or 70 centimeter local comms, D-Star, or repeater. Fantastic. The fanny pack stuff does tuck away onto the inside, so you don't need to worry about that. I'll probably be using the shoulder strap. There are links down in the description below for all the gear that I've shown you today. I like this bag so far. I can't wait to get rid of all the snow and get out and get activating. But now I might be able just to go for a small hike and see if I can do anything on 5.2. I doubt it in this area, but we'll see. Now I've got some work to do. I want to do the power pass through, make a short power connector. I want to figure out a way to interface the T1 tuner with the 705 and have it do tune from the front panel of the radio. Lots and lots of fantastic stuff in store for this, and we're going to be getting out of the snow finally. It'll be great. Tag along for the journey with a video right over here next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you in the next one.